Okay, so to do a bouquet charm, it's pretty easy. It's the same price as doing a necklace, so the 25 cents. You're going to receive ribbons probably already done. And what we're going to do is go ahead and give it a little bit of a nudge. Sometimes these are a little sticky. In fact, see how that one's kind of sticking? So we're going to make sure to kind of do it a couple times. Put it on the frame. These go in here. Now if you try to do it up here, sometimes it might stick. You might have to make sure to do it where it's the thinnest there. And then we're going to stick the pearl on. That is pretty much the formula. Frame, pendant, and pearl. And that's how most all of our bouquet charms come. Some of them do have 2 frames on them. So if it said missing you and you wanted grandpa and your sister's photos in there, then there would be another picture frame right here and it would have 2 rings. So it would just dangle down a little bit farther. But that is the finished product. And then to put it into a bag, we're going to open it up and we're just going to drop it straight down, and we want the frame facing forward. If the frame ends up behind here, that's okay, but we want it facing forward. Make sure the frame's not backwards. And then the best way to do this is you're going to stick it down. You have this sticking out. You want to make sure that those ribbons are nice and clean. So if you're doing 50 of them, I tend to put them all in the bags, lay them down, and then I start snipping and poking through. You're going to grab the 2 ends of the ribbons, and I just kind of pull it up. I'm trying to do this on camera so you can see. Just kind of pull it up a little. Then you do the tuck so the ends are down in there. And then you just kind of do one last poke with your finger. That's what it looks like. And then the last step would be to stick it in the organza bag, and to do that, these are like keychains where we just fold the top over this way and stick it down this way, just like a keychain. All right.